I welcome all of you, and I'm very sure you people are preparing really nicely for your upcoming HPCL interviews. HPCL interviews are going to start from 10th of November. I think it is going to take 1 month minimum. 10th November से लेके 10th December तक मेरे को लगता है चलते रहेंगे, something like IUCL. Now, many students are asking, is the time sufficient to prepare for this? See, even if it is not sufficient, what do you think? You will not prepare? Answer is you will prepare, obviously. So जब जाना है तो तैयारी से पूरी से जाना है. That is what we have to do. Even if the time is 1 week. जैसे IUCL में एक ही week मिला था. You did not get time in IUCL. Students got only 1 week. They have done good. So you are to prepare nicely. Now let me make a strategy. 15 दिन का rolling strategy. 15 days rolling strategy. Now what is the meaning of that? 15 days rolling strategy. How you can hit your peak of preparation. How you can hit peak of preparation. Peak of preparation means you are in form. जैसे क्रिकेट मैच में होते हैं in form. Player are in form. You should also be in form for GT and personal interview, which is of two types, technical and HR. See, I don't want to comment कि टेक्निकल ज़्यादा आता है कि HR ज़्यादा आता है. I don't want to comment on that. But previous years का अगर कंपैरिजन किया जाए तो HPCL में 70 to 80% HR आता है. 70 to 80% in HPCL is HR. But having said that, it may be possible कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट उनको पसंद आ जाए, आपका जॉब एक्सपीरियंस उनको पसंद आ जाए, and they ask you more question from there. That version is there. So I have recorded hundreds of interview experiences of the students of IUCL. अगर आप उसको सुनोगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि साहब कैसे क्वेश्चन वो पूछते हैं. बट IUCL is different from HPCL. HPCL is largely expansion mode marketing domain because it is a downstream company. Downstream company means it is to sell the product. IUCL is entire supply chain, but this HPCL is a downstream company, so it is to sell the product. Lubricant, it is the largest company for lubes, and petroleum and all. So you understand, they will be checking something else. So itna HR% उसमें है. And then group task is something which is very very important. And group task में eliminating है. अगर तुम्हारा एक particular marks नहीं आया वो eliminate कर देगा और तुम आगे नहीं जा सकते, इसलिए this is very important. Now what is the meaning of peak of preparation means ऐसी फॉर्म आपकी हिट हो जाए कि ग्रुप टास्क इंटरव्यू आप बहुत अच्छा दे रहे हैं. दैट फॉर्म शुड हिट टुवर्ड्स द इंटरव्यू. सपोज योर इंटरव्यू इज ऑन 10th of November, so your peak should hit on 8th of November, so that the moment you go you are giving your best. And I tell you one thing, all these domains like HR, technical and this group task, this is practice based phenomena. प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे तो आंसर करोगे. जैसे टीचिंग है, if we keep on teaching then we will be a good teacher. If we stop teaching for 1 year 2 years we will start forgetting the things. वैसे ही ग्रुप टास्क हुआ, HR हुआ, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस होता रहे, आपका ग्रुप टास्क में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, हर दिन पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, तो तुम्हारा एक रिदम बन जाएगा एंड दैट यू विल हिट द पीक. सो you will get it. So your peak should hit 1 or 2 days before your actual interview. Now let me tell you what is the 15-day strategy, what you can do in that. Today is 24th of October, 25th of October and 10th of November. So the student who starts his preparation on 25th of October, I am saying 15 days for the student जिसके पास बहुत knowledge नहीं है. Technical तो तुम्हें knowledge है, but kind of HR questions and GT you do not know. Let us say GT and HR you don't know. Now you have 15 days. So what is the 15-day strategy, what we can do so that we can hit the peak at the time of interview. So suppose your interview is on 10th November and 15th October you started. What you have to do is 8 to 10 GTs you should do. GTs you should participate. When you are speaking with others means those who are going for HPCL, उन students के साथ आप GT participate कर रहे हैं. Then you are going for HR rounds. HR questions, the questions based upon your profile. I mean, you did the job, why you left the job, where are you from, उस एरिया का, आपका नाम के बेस पे क्वेश्चन, आपके बेस पे HR questions. Somebody is asking you questions, HR, and then technical mock. So how you have to make the strategy? You should do 8 to 10 GTs, you should do 8 to 10 HR, and you should do 10 to 15 technical mock, and then total 2 mocks you should do before you go to your actual interview. 2 mock in which HR and technical is clubbed together. So 2-3 teachers are 2-3 mentors, sorry, not teachers, mentors are asking you questions. You are to complete this particular thing, that is within 15 days. So what you should do is, like before you participate in group task, you should see the group task conducted, and your PD has already put many group tasks on the panel, right? Many group tasks are put on the website also, YouTube channel also, you can see that. I think we have covered more than now 70 group tasks, जिसमें many group tasks were recently asked in IOCL. So these you need to keep 3 copies, you know. So 70 group tasks, one day में you should complete 2 to 3 group tasks. In one day 2 to 3 group tasks which we have done, but one group task is taking 1 hour. So I am not saying you to sit for 3 hours, no, I am saying you start seeing the group task recorded, previous recorded group task, and write the task name, and then ask yourself what answer will you give to this, that case study which they have given or problem they have given you, and then go to the end of the group task and see what answer I am giving, and that is the best answer you can have for that task. So compare your answer with my answer, and every day spend 10 to 15 minutes for one group task. One group task 10 to 15 minutes. So how many group tasks you have to do? You have to do 3 to 4 group tasks. And as I told you, 70 group tasks are there with you on the your PDF website. 70 group tasks are already there. So every day 2 to 3 group tasks you have to write in a copy. That will take your half an hour, right? Half an hour group task likh liya. So half an hour group task you are writing. You have to listen to the HR questions being asked to other students also. HR, which I am taking for 10 minutes. So 3 to 4 HR, half an hour for that. HR. And similarly, technical, different subjects, technical snaps, you have to listen, let's say half an hour for technical. So this is entire learning part, let us say 1.5, but I say it is 2 hour. 2 hour mein you are learning the content, and then every, now in 15 days you have to complete 8 to 10 GT. So schedule it that first 5 or first 10 days, first 5 days mein 2 GTs, next 5 days mein 3 GTs, and next 5 days mein 4 to 5 GTs. So peak should hit towards the end. So first 5 days, 25th October to 30th of no, 30th of October, 31st October, let's say you did 3 GTs. Next till 5th November, you again did 3 GTs, 6 GTs and 4 GT in the last week, right? So that is 8 to 10 GTs you have to do. Slow in the first 5 days, moderate, and then maximum GTs in the last 5 days. Practice part will be, so learning part will be more in the first 5 days and practice part will be more in the last 5 days. Same HR, 3 days में एक बार HR किया, अगले 3 days में एक और HR किया, फिर उसके बाद every 2 days में एक बार HR किया, और लास्ट में every day एक HR करना स्टार्ट किया. वैसे टेक्निकल, और 2 मॉक कब लगाने हैं? 4-5 days बिफोर योर एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू दोनों मॉक लगाने हैं. सो जस्ट 2 days बिफोर योर एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू यू शुड हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल दिस. सो 15 days स्ट्रेटेजी में तुम्हें 12-13 दिन में सब कंप्लीट करना है. एंड इफ एनी क्वेश्चन यू हैव, यू कैन डू दैट. सो विद व्हाट रेसिपी यू हैव टू गो, you have to listen to the HRs and everything. And yes, there is another component, previous जो IUCL वाले बच्चों का experience है वो भी सुन के जाना है. There is approximately 200 students experience we have with us now. Wonderful questions, wonderful HR questions, and they are relevant. How many petrol pumps you have in Rajasthan, your district? That question is relevant for HPCL also. What are the various products of IUCL? That is relevant for HPCL also. So वो 200 बच्चों का जो हमारे पास previous जो IUCL का interview experience है, that is very relevant for you. You should learn that also. Let me tell you one thing honestly. Every mark will count. And GT और interview में 30 नंबर हैं. I have told you earlier also that mechanical में 148 से 170 के बीच में 600-700 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे. सो ये 30 नंबर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इंटरव्यू जीटी में डिफरेंस डालने के लिए. एवरी मार्क इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Take it seriously. I have told you the strategy, what you have to do. That entire detailed strategy is also available on the website. You can go and check that particular thing and prepare really well for this interview. Don't take it lightly. You have come to this level after a lot of efforts. Think that if you get selected in HPCL by 1 mark, and think if you get rejected from HPCL by 1 mark, how it is going to create the difference. You understand that? So give your best so that you get the best. All the best. थैंक यू।